Price action wise, LDR ang tawag natin dito sa price action ni Bitoy sa 1-day time frame. Meaning to say, yung price from near or below sa 20, MA20, the blue line, it went up papuntang MA200, the yellow line. That's long distance relationship. Nagkita na po yung price. So usually sa mga ganitong setup, you will see rejections followed by a consolidation, and after consolidation, we don't know kung aakyat or bababa. We're going to observe. So ito po na to, nakakakita tayo, yan oh. Sa daily po ito, daily time frame yan oh. Hindi tayo nag-close above the 200. Ngayon, we traded above. Yes, traded above. Normal po yan, nangyayari. We can trade above, but eventually, most likely today, we're going to close, no? We're going to close below the 200 or inside the 200. Okay, so we can trade above, but we can still close. So based yan sa observation natin sa price action. One thing notable, key level, binrake natin ta. So most likely, ang next nito, sabi nga natin, konso muna. Pwede magko-konso yan. But since na-break natin tong key level, if we can sustain this breakout, medyo ang bias mo is uptrend. Pwedeng magiging uptrend na po ito. Pwede makabuo ng uptrend. Ngayon, how high, Tito? Tuda muna ba tayo? Hindi pa po. Marami pa tayong resistance, no? We still have to break the 28.5 level, the previous support, it turned into resistance. We still have to break the 30K levels, psychological resistance, and the 32 level, yung recent high, no? Yung previous local top natin. We need to break that. So marami-rami pa po yan. So we just trade 1 TPY at a time. If you are an active trader, we trade 1 TPY at the time. Most likely, we're going to see rejection sa mga levels po na yan. So we're going to see most likely, okay, for the month of October, this is your macro na, no? For the month of October, November, December, a consolidation, possible consolidation between 25 to 30 area. So nandiyan po tayo sa box na yan magte-trade for the month October, November, December. And dito moves yan. Follow, like for more updates.